Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to look at deleted messages on Instagram. To request a download of your Instagram messages, make sure to follow these steps. Firstly, open the Instagram app. Once you're in your account, tap on your profile from the bottom right corner. Then tap on the three lines from the top right corner, which will take you to your settings. Now scroll down in settings and click on your activity. After that, scroll down in your activity and choose the option Download Your Information. Now click on the Request to Download. From here, you need to select the profile on which you want to download the data. After selecting your account, click on Next, then select your information types. Choose the Messages option from here and tap on Next. After that, tap to submit your request. Now your information is being prepared for a download. And that's pretty much it. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to give this video a like and share your comments or questions down below.